Hello my loves, it's Kasia, Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my dashboard planner, which is a classic size happy planner, and it is for the week of October 11th through the 17th. As you can see, one part of the dashboard looks a little bit different. Those pages are custom made by me, and I made them to make my life a little bit easier when I'm filming and editing and doing all of this. Today, I am going to be using a sticker book from Live Love Posh. As you guys know, I am obsessed with her, and Autumn Blooms are where these stickers are from. They're just beautiful. They still kind of represent very bright colors, but they are fall because it's a lot of yellows and oranges and so on, and they make me happy, and I figured that I can put them in my dashboard and just have a very whimsical, fun spread. So that's exactly what I'm doing, and I hope you guys will enjoy this as well. If you are brand new to my channel, welcome. I hope you like it here, and if you are already subscribed, thank you so much. As you guys know, I love each and every one of you. And if you are brand new and just subscribed, say hello in the comments. I would like to welcome you. Okay, so here we go. I am going to be putting those flowers right around the edges. And then I am going to try to run the runner tape right on that really gray area and mimic or kind of cover up the days. So here we go. I've been doing so many traditional and non-traditional things. As you can see, I'm pulling foil off the sticker sheet. They were a little bit hard to grab at times, so I am just adding all of these little details to my planner. I love the way this looked. It's just vibrant and happy and beautiful, and that's exactly what I love. I'm gonna add a few flowers kind of that I cut in half. I like doing that a lot. Not only saves more flowers for me, which you guys probably know I'm stingy about my flowers, but also it gives me kind of more room to write. So it serves two purposes. And I'm trying to pull some stickers off of Mojo Jojo's sticker book. It's the colorful boxes one. So I'm gonna use the green to match the flowers. Kind of orange-ish. And I'm gonna spread those into different boxes like so. It's not perfectly straight, but again, this is my social media planner. This is where I plan videos and so on. So it doesn't really need to be perfect, but I do like to decorate it. Okay, I'm gonna write October, and my handwriting is awful, but oh well. Let me see if I can add a little like trinkets here and there, because I feel like it's still missing a little bit. So I'm gonna add a little flower here. Add like another flower there so it looks a little different and full. And I'm gonna add some flowers like so. Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful. Okay, and I think I'm pretty much done. I'm just gonna add one more thing. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope everybody's having a great week. and I'll see you very, very soon for another plan with me. Thanks for watching. Bye!